Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you the best extensions to disable the auto translation on YouTube, both on Chrome and Firefox and every other browser. So, as you can see here, we do have the Firefox browser add-ons, even though I do have here the Chrome, and here, as you can see, we have first extension called the YouTube Anti-Translate official port. The official port is because the origin of the extension is on the Chrome, but it's the official port that works the best on here and in the Firefox. So, I mean, every single extension works almost identical. It anti-translates the videos and titles, etc. And as you can see, to download these add-ons, at first we have to download the Firefox, but if you're on the Firefox, just click on the install and everything should be done. Here, apart from the YouTube Anti-Translate, which is the best, for me, the best anti-translate extension, we do have here for Firefox too, YouTube Anti-Translate by Peter. A small extension to disable YouTube video titles auto translation. So, as you can see, it's the second one best for me, of course, extension. And as you can see, you have to check the users that are using the extension and the reviews or ratings. As you can see, this is better with users ratings, but it's the official port from the Chrome. It doesn't really matter, for me this is better, but it's up to you actually. And yeah, here we have to download the Firefox to get the extension too. But apart from these Firefoxes, we here to have two extensions on the Chrome. And on the other website it should work the same. You just have to enter the add-on store. As you can see here, they have YouTube Anti-Translate, and I have it added to my Chrome. So at first, let me remove this extension, and as you can see here, they have 90,000 users with almost over 400 ratings. I mean, almost 500 ratings. And every single extension, as I said, works identical, so don't worry. To use this extension, we have to click Add to Chrome. Here, as you can see, it can read and change your data on all YouTube.com sites and youtube.com. Click Add Extension, and now let's open YouTube. It may take a moment because I do have slow internet. Here we are on the YouTube, and for example, let's go into HardReset.Info Ukraine. Let's open videos, and as you can see here, they have the titles directly in the Ukrainian language. Here, if we remove this extension from Chrome and then click remove, if we refresh, we can see that these titles are translated. So we just have to click Add to Chrome and nothing else actually. And let's refresh here. It works, as you can see, beautifully. And this is the first one extension for Chrome, and here they have the second one, which is the YouTube No Translation. Here they have some video before and after from Mr. Beast, and as you can see here they have some quick overview, but let's not focus on that. Here they have, as you can see, 126 ratings, 4.8 stars, which is very, very nice, and 20,000 users. Here, as you can see, without that, I've removed these. I didn't remove it. Wait a moment. Remove from Chrome. Remove. Here, without this first, we do have English, and let's add this one and an extension. As you can see here, they have some start page, and we can set a lot of things here. We can disable the no translation for titles, audio tracks, and set it for original almost and every single time, and descriptions. Here they have subtitles, which are always disabled, and here they have some extra settings. YouTube data IP3 key, but it's actually for us it's useless. Now, if we go and refresh here, we can see that nothing has changed. It's because we have to click reload active YouTube tabs. As you can see, now everything is fine and it works without any problems. And that's actually how it works. Installing the extensions are actually the same on each web browser. On every single web browser, you have to just click add to Edge, add to Chrome, add to Firefox, add to Opera, etc. It should add it automatically. And yeah, that's actually it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and see you in the next video. Goodbye!